we are going to study about input devices. Let us explore. Do you know what is an input device? Yeah, I know. It carries user input to the processor for processing. Come, let us see some input devices. See, these are keyboards. It is used for typing purpose in computer. It can be wired also and wireless also. See, different types of computer mouse. It can be wired also and wireless also. This is a barcode reader. It is used to read the barcode and translate the information such as name and price of the article for quick billing. Digital camera takes pictures just as the ordinary camera. However, the digital photograph is transferable into a computer for further storage. It can be viewed, printed or edited from the computer just as in any other image. Web camera is another type of digital camera. It transmits image over the internet as we live chat with someone. Web cameras are used for security purposes as they tape movements in places such as airports or the traffic, etc. Microphones or mic give voice input to the computer. The voice can then be recorded and stored or transmitted. Microphone can also be wired and can also be wireless. Do you know there are different types of scanners? Drum scanner, flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. All these three have different uses. Joystick. This is an input device most commonly seen in PlayStation and Xboxes. The lever here substitutes the mouse and the cursor keys. This is touchscreen. It is a special monitor that allows the user to input information by touching the icons or graphical button present on the screen. Thank you and have a nice day, dear children.